Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session to discuss about method overloading using Java language. మెథడ్ ఓవర్లోడింగ్ అని చెప్తున్న ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీకు అర్థం అవ్వాలి అంటే దీనికి ముందుగా మెథడ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద వీడియో చేయటం జరిగింది. ఆ వీడియో లింకు ఈ వీడియో డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో మీకు ఇవ్వటం జరుగుతుంది. మెథడ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ వీడియో చూసిన తర్వాత ఈ వీడియో చూడటం వల్ల మీకు ఈ వీడియో అనే టాపిక్ అనేది క్లియర్గా అర్థమవుతుంది. తర్వాత నా ఛానల్ వీడియోస్ని షేర్ చేయటమైనా, లైక్ చేయటమైనా, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. నా ఛానల్లో ఉన్న వీడియోస్ అనేవి మీకు ఉపయోగపడుతున్నాయని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. నా వీడియోస్ని మీకు ఉపయోగకరంగా ఉంది అనుకుంటే దయచేసి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కావచ్చు, మీ యొక్క రిలేటివ్స్కి రిఫర్ చేసి షేర్ చేస్తారని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ సెషన్లో మనము డిస్కస్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్న మెథడ్ ఓవర్లోడింగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్కి వెళ్తున్నాను. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, వాట్ ఈజ్ మెంట్ బై మెథడ్ ఓవర్లోడింగ్? మెథడ్ overloading. In the last session I have discussed what is meant by method. Once I repeated, method means can contain some statements that performed particular task. Any method must be declared within the class location. This is the information about the method. So what is meant by overloading? Overloading means we can write two or more methods same name but passing the parameter is different. Those methods declared within the class. This is the definition or meaning about overloading. Once I repeat, overloading means we can write the two or more method with the same name, but passing parameter different. Those methods can declared within the class. Is the exactly meaning about overloading. See, I can give in a simple example related that one overloading concept. Example for method overloading, right? You can write the documentation section, any program like the multi-line comments. Example for method overloading. We can close the multi-line comment section, right? We can write the class keyword. See, the class keyword cannot declare any character in the uppercase. We can write the all character in the class word must be declared lowercase. The class name is MOL, simply called for the method overloading related concept name. We can open the parenthesis in the class, write the method. We can write the method using the void. We know that the keyword not return the any value. Add, we can pass the parameters into A into B. See, This is the parameterized method. So method concept lo what is meant by parameterized method, what is meant by default method clear ga explain cheyadam jarigindi. First we can see method concept video. The parameterized method, write the another variable into c. C is equal to a plus b. We can write the any printf statement using Java. Write the statement is system dot out dot println sum is plus c. See, in this statement we can write the S is a capital letter, the remaining letter is the lowercase. Means S is a capital. In the system is the class, the predefined class, the first letter given the capital letter in the class. So we can write the first letter is capital, the remaining letter is the small lowercase. System dot out is the object of the system class, out dot to println. This is the method of object out to object method. Like we can close the add method parenthesis. After we can write the another method, that method name also same. That is method also same. That method name is add. But passing parameter is different. My parameter is double x comma double y. The passing parameters are different. In this method can declare the integer parameter. In this method can be declared the double parameter. But the method name should be same. You can write the open the parenthesis or double z. Z is equal to x plus y. We can print up the statement in Java level system. S is a capital because the predefined class, we know that the predefined class, the first letter is capital, given the James Gosling with the team members, that rated design. System dot out dot println, the z value is equal to plus z. We can close the second method parenthesis. See, in this class can contain the two methods. Sorry, the one is the add method, another method also is a add method. But first method can passing the parameter integer nature, the next method can passing parameter is double nature. So we can write the directly command line arguments using of the MOL class is also using the main class. We can write the command line arguments. Public is a keyword, static is a keyword, void is a keyword, main is a method. What type of method? Parameterized method. What parameter? String parameter. Aux array variable. We can open the command line bracket. See, we can observe create the object of MOL class. MOL class object OB is equal to new MOL. This is the object creation statement. In this object creation statement, this is the class name, this is the object name, is equal to new is a dynamically keyword memory created. MOL is a constructor of the class. See, OB dot add, we can observe, can pass the two types of the values, like the one value is for example 10, the another value for example 20. See, this both value OB object can be passing into the A and can passing value into the B. The another method same, OB dot add 5.0 comma 3.0 means the double nature. The 5.0 can be passed into the x, 3.0 value can be passing into the y. In the last session I have discussed Parameterized method can receive value outside method location. So this is the method location. See, this is the method location. In this method, value can be passed into the command line argument location. So parameterized method can receive any value outside method location. This is the nature of the parameterized method. We can close the command line argument parenthesis, finally close the class parenthesis. This is the simple example related for method overloading. Thank you watching my channel. Please subscribe. My channel name is NV Rao IT. Thank you.